Sisi kama members wa Kikuyu Council, wasee, wakina mama na vijana wetu, kwanza tunasema hii maneno ilifanyika Murang'a ya kutahiri mama ilikuwa baya sana. Kwa hivyo tumeikashifu na tunasema hiyo maneno ikome, na vijana washikwe na wapelekwe korokoroni, sababu hiyo ni kupotea njia. Tunaona kuna kikundi imeanza kujifanya Irundi, na kikundi natuambia wale wanaanza hiyo maneno wakumbuke vijana wetu waliuawa wengi sana, hata hapa Kiambaa wakati hiyo group ilitoka. Hatutaki vijana wetu wengine wakufe. Kwa hivyo vijana wajiepuke na hiyo kikundi. Tumekubaliana wote kama Kikuyu Council of Elders, mkono juu, tumesema tumekataa habari ya kutahiri wasichana au akina mama. Ila ingine,
we already have heard about a renegade group of young people who are misinformed, who are distorted mindset, that they are doing or practicing female genital mutilation, which is outdated. I would like to categorically say here that when God created a human being, a whole human being, we know for sure our women are beautiful the way they are, and we don't need any other surgery on them for that matter to look beautiful. And I think that is why Kikuyu women are attractive to all communities, because they are beautiful in the way they are created by God. So it is nonsensical, it is outdated, and it is an affront to the women and their dignity to be circumcised. That is only reserved for men, not for women. And at this moment, we'd like all our women to be respected and also to be supported. And above all, we ask the government to move in swiftly and take stern action against the perpetrators. We as Kikuyu Council of Elders, we work with the government. We also work with the church. We respect the church very much. And anybody who is up against the church and against the government and against our culture that is wholesome, we would not have any relationship with them. And therefore, we denounce them at this particular moment.
Because we can remember very well, President talked about it about some few weeks ago, and it's so sad after that, even a month or two is not yet over, and it was done in Murang'a. It was, I think, disrespecting our president. And our women, as all our Kikuyu women, old, young women, because those customs are behind us, long time ago, are behind us. Maybe people can confuse us the way we wear these clothes, whatever traditional we follow, but those type of things are behind us, and we are Christians, and those things are behind us.
Different structures to deal with that issue. And a church, we are not advocate of such a behavior in the community. And so different churches that form the NCCK, we have a stand that we use our church mechanism to make sure we stop it completely. We are behind the head of state in this country that took responsibility to make sure that that behavior stops. And so we are behind that, the issue of stopping FGM in this country. And different churches are using different mechanisms. And as NCCK, we are behind any mechanism that will stop that agenda, whether it is prayer, whether it's using the government systems, it's using the women leadership, the men's leadership. We are using those structures to stop it. It's not human, it's not Christian to do that.
wa Esther uria wiraga andu aria na kuria kwenda oke haha wa Esther nigetha mugeithie na ndona muthuri uyu no wa bata kuona nungaritio mwathani agende gukwambararia
no wira tu no gutue koketi murute wana twiyumiririe
Nikundiriro ene marakara korwo ndinya kinya uvude ujagibure epeke imevunjika nyako marugu sukari osaka na woswe turukio tere shuka
ketuma no boroge aina oihugo ige
arugite taina vaso muthuri uria ri ukama Esther muthuri uyu arauga atiriri akorwo gukiina ruu ri uhutie kibungo kimwe kia njeri gaitu
pakeraga ukendete wendaga
muracika no muracindwo tuthie ringi na kuuga korwo wi witu nyoniai ni tukurogama na uhuru atumia cieko ngami cia uhuru Nimucionete kihara nimucionete banana riu nyumba itu tugereire kiamba kwi mundu tonyete nyumba ya waruthia na twathie kuingira rau na ninie butabuta o uria arathie kamugambo gagithie gakinyihaga gakinyiha acokire akigira njogu yoka nayo akiuria